What if you could change the story of your day? What if you held the pen to write a different beginning, one filled with calm and intention, before it even begins? Before the emails flood in, before the demands of the day pull you in a million different directions. Imagine waking up to a gentle invitation from yourself, a soft nudge towards presence and peace. This is your moment, a chance to meet the morning with intention, to consciously choose how you want to feel as you move through your day, not reaction, a proactive step rather than a reactive stumble. Most days we tumble out of bed and into the rush, propelled by the urgency of our schedules. Minds racing with to-dos, already strategizing and problem-solving before our feet even hit the floor. But there's another way, a different path you can choose to walk. It only takes 5 minutes, just 5 minutes to reclaim your morning. 5 minutes to connect with your body, to feel the ground beneath you and the air around you. Greet your breath, acknowledge its rhythm, and let it guide you into a state of calm. And set a peaceful tone for your day, a foundation of serenity upon which you can build. This is a gift to yourself, a precious offering of time and attention, a small act of kindness that says, I am worthy of a calm start, a gentle reminder that you deserve peace. You're creating a pocket of stillness, a sanctuary of quietude. In a world that demands your attention, constantly vying for your focus, the busier you are, the more you need this pause, this moment of respite. The world can wait 5 minutes. Everything else can hold on while you center yourself. This is your sacred pause, a moment to honor yourself and your well-being. A deliberate choice to prioritize your well-being, to nurture your mind, body, and spirit. By stepping onto your mat, or even a soft rug, you're creating a dedicated space for self-care. You choose to begin with groundedness and clarity, setting the stage for a more focused and peaceful day. Let's explore how a few simple movements, gentle stretches, and mindful poses, and conscious breaths can transform your morning, shifting your perspective and calming your nervous system. This is your practice, designed for your life, right now, tailored to your needs and abilities. Your 5-minute reset starts now. Let's begin. Starting your day with a short, intentional yoga routine, even just a few minutes, is like whispering a kind and supportive message to your nervous system, setting a positive tone for the hours ahead. It gently tells your body and mind that they are safe, secure, and ready to embrace the day with a sense of calm and centeredness. This simple 5-minute practice creates a valuable buffer zone between sleep and the potential chaos and demands of a busy day, allowing you to transition more smoothly. By consciously moving with your breath, synchronizing movement and inhales and exhales, you proactively reduce stress and anxiety before it even has a chance to take root and affect your well-being. Think of this practice as tidying up your mind, decluttering your thoughts, allowing you to approach your tasks and responsibilities with greater clarity, focus, and intention. The primary goal is to gently release any built-up tension in your shoulders, neck, and back, areas where stress often manifests physically, and to consciously use your breath as an anchor to ground your mind in the present moment. These gentle movements, combined with mindful breathing techniques, work synergistically to activate your body's natural relaxation response, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. No prior yoga experience is needed at all. Just a genuine willingness to show up for yourself and dedicate a few moments to your well-being. Every movement is presented as a gentle invitation to explore, not a forceful demand or expectation. Ultimately, this practice is about cultivating presence and self-awareness, not achieving perfect performance or poses. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seat. This could be on the floor, allowing your body to connect with the earth. Perhaps you'd prefer a cushion, providing a little lift and support for your hips. Or, if it's more accessible, a chair works perfectly well. The key is to find a position where you can sit relatively upright with ease. Sit tall, lengthening your spine as if a string is gently pulling you upwards. Allow your hands to rest softly on your knees or in your lap, palms facing up or down, whichever feels most natural. Now gently close your eyes, allowing yourself to turn inward, or if that feels uncomfortable, simply soften your gaze, focusing on a point in front of you without straining. Take a deep breath in, drawing the air all the way down into your abdomen. Feel your belly expand, followed by your chest, as you fill yourself with fresh, revitalizing energy. Exhale slowly, releasing the breath with a soft sigh, letting go of any tension you might be holding. Inhale deeply, and as you do, shrug your shoulders up towards your ears, squeezing them tightly and gathering tension in your upper back and neck. Exhale completely, and with that exhale, simply let your shoulders drop down, releasing all the tension you've accumulated. Repeat this a few times, adding a rolling motion. Inhale as you bring your shoulders forward and up in a circular motion, feeling the stretch across your chest. Then exhale as you roll them back and down, feeling the shoulder blades gently drawing together. Continue this gentle, flowing movement a few more times, synchronizing your breath with the rhythm of your body. Now let's move to the neck. Gently lower your right ear towards your right shoulder, feeling a stretch along the left side of your neck. Close your eyes and breathe deeply into the stretch on the left side of your neck, allowing the muscles to soften and release. Inhale slowly, bringing your head back to center, maintaining a tall, upright posture. Then, as you exhale, gently lower your left ear towards your left shoulder, mirroring the stretch on the opposite side. Breathe deeply into the right side of your neck, noticing any sensations that arise and allowing them to simply be. Inhale once more, returning your head to center, feeling the balance between both sides of your neck. Exhale and gently tuck your chin down towards your chest, allowing the weight of your head to stretch the muscles at the back of your neck. If it feels comfortable, you can optionally add a gentle rocking motion, moving your chin slowly from side to side, further releasing any tension. Remember to move softly and mindfully, paying attention to the sensations in your body and respecting your limits. After a few breaths in this position, gently return your head to a neutral, upright position. Take a moment to notice how your shoulders and neck feel now, perhaps lighter, more relaxed, and with a greater sense of spaciousness. This simple yet effective release can be a wonderful way to set a positive and peaceful tone for your day, helping you to move with greater ease and awareness. And now, feeling a little more open and relaxed, let's move on to the next exercise. Now let's bring attention to your spine, your core support. Place your hands on your knees. Inhale, arch your back, heart forward, gaze up, seated cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, chin to chest, seated cat pose. Flow between these shapes for a few breaths, letting your breath guide you. After your last round, return to a tall spine. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, gently twist right-left hand to right knee, right hand behind. Breathe deeply, then inhale to center. Exhale, twist left-right hand to left knee, left hand behind. Inhale to center. Feel balanced and renewed. These gentle movements awaken your body and mind. Let's finish with mindful breathing. Return to your comfortable seat, spine long, shoulders relaxed. Place your hands on your lap, palms up. Close your eyes if you like. Simply notice your breath. The cool inhale, the warm exhale. If your mind wanders, gently return to your breath. Inhale for a count of 4, pause, exhale for a count of 6. Let each exhale ground you. Feel gratitude for your body, your breath, and this time you've given yourself. You've chosen calm over chaos. When you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes and gently open your eyes. Carry this peace with you into your day.